Welcome back to CarScope, where performance meets passion. And today we're diving into one of the most aggressive luxury performance cars to hit the road. The all-new 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S. This is not just a car. It's a statement built for those who want supercar energy wrapped in everyday usability. From the moment you see it, the GT 63S demands attention with its wide stance, long hood, and low, coupe-like silhouette that screams AMG DNA from every angle up front. The iconic Panamericana grille looks sharper and more menacing than ever, flanked by redesigned LED headlights that give the car an intense, focused expression. The sculpted bodylines flow smoothly from front to rear, enhancing both aerodynamics and visual drama. Around the back, the muscular haunches, quad exhaust tips, and sleek taillights remind you that this car is all about power and presence. Every detail feels purposeful, from the aggressive air intakes to the refined, carbon fiber accents available across the exterior. Under the hood is where the magic truly happens. The 2026 AMG GT 63S is powered by a handcrafted AMG V8 engine that delivers explosive acceleration and a thunderous exhaust note that never gets old. The power delivery is instant and relentless, pushing you back into your seat as the car rockets forward with ease. Paired with AMG's advanced performance transmission and all-wheel drive system, this machine offers incredible grip and confidence. Whether you're launching off the line or carving through tight corners at high speed, step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly blends luxury with motorsport inspiration. Premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and brushed metal surround you, while ambient lighting adds a modern, high-end vibe. The digital cockpit is fully customizable, giving you real-time performance data, navigation, and entertainment right at your fingertips. The AMG's performance seats provide excellent support, making long drives comfortable while keeping you firmly planted during aggressive driving. Technology plays a huge role in the GT 63S experience. From advanced driver assistance features to multiple driving modes that completely change the car's personality, this AMG adapts effortlessly to your mood. In comfort mode, it feels refined and composed, perfect for daily driving. Switch to Sport or Sport Plus, and the car transforms into a fire-breathing performance monster with sharper throttle response, tighter suspension, and an exhaust note that turns heads everywhere you go. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S is not just about speed, it's about balance. It offers supercar-level performance without sacrificing comfort, practicality, or luxury. Whether you're cruising through the city or pushing the limits on open roads, this car delivers an unforgettable driving experience every single time. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines raw power, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable style, the new AMG GT 63S might just be the ultimate choice. This is CarScope, bringing you closer to the cars that define the future of performance. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting automotive content.